Here are 5 ways that you can use Clubhouse to grow your business. Hi, my name is Jana with Hsra, and I'm going to talk to you about the 5 ways that we have actually used Clubhouse to build an incredible audience, and not only that, but earn new business that we would never have had. So number 1, get started. You want to get that invite, set up your rockstar profile, talk about who you are, what you do, and of course use the emojis, connect this to your Instagram and your Twitter account, because that's how people will reach out to you later. And then number 2, you want to follow the right people. So if your interests are like mine in real estate, design, home staging, entrepreneurship, leadership, you want to follow people that have the same interests. That's going to help. Number 3, open the right rooms. You want to now see, once you're following the right people, you want to now see what rooms they're in. This is your opportunity for number 4, to add value. When you are in these rooms, you want to now contribute, not just staying in the audience, but raise your hand. I know it's scary, but once you raise your hand, you now can get promoted to stage and just add a value. Ask a question, contribute in some way. This is all about how people can connect with you, and you can be a subject matter expert. Then, of course, we want to reconnect with them later. This is how we've grown our business, by connecting with them later. We follow up, we make sure we follow them on Instagram, we can send them a message and DM them, and they can do the same to us. That reconnection happens only after we're following the right people, we're in the right rooms, we're adding value and contributing, and we're reconnecting with them. And of course, our final tip is step out and own it. You want to start your own club, and you can start your own rooms. Now, on your profile, scroll all the way down to the bottom, see what clubs you're following, and hit that plus sign. Create your own club around your own interests. You want to make this, though, a club about business. Something that really tugs the heart of your potential clients, your future clients, so they can connect with you. If you're interested in cooking, which I am, that's great, but it's not going to necessarily grow our professional staging business. So I'm going to start a club dealing with the topic and the subject matter that our business can work with those people, we can help them grow, and it's an attractor. So, final tip is start your club. Just do this, don't be afraid, get other people involved, and you are going to see that Clubhouse can help 10x your business as well.